now we could go back to this route that we had before, and we could actually create this cookie. So what I'm going to do here is actually use this code that I have here. I'm really only going to end up needing to get this cookie. And I'm going to do a let for a cookie, and I'm going to do before each. And I'm going to make this asynchronous. This is going to end up being my response, and we'll go over here and we will not write any expectations here, but actually we're just going to set our cookie to what we end up getting back from this value. So now I've got the cookie, and I'm awaiting here. I'm going to end up using this cookie. So let's uncomment this. All right, and we're still having a 401 here, but let's actually go in and modify our app. Before, we were just saying request.user. Let's switch this around a little bit. And we'll say, again, this is a user that's going to be on the session. So we'll say if we have the user on that session, let's just send the user back, because that's what this route is supposed to do. Otherwise, we'll do this, and let's just make sure that we end up getting out of here. We could do an else here as well, but we're done. We have the user. We're going to end up returning the user. And if we take a look at this, let's just make sure see what our error is here. User is not defined. That's true, because this is going to be our request session user. And so here, this ends up passing, but let's just run one more test on it real quick. We'll just go over here and make sure it's the right user. So when we end up getting back the user, let's also say we expect the response dot body dot username to equal Larry, which it does. Let's actually make it go from red to green. So here now we've ended up getting this route to this test to pass. And the last thing we'll end up doing is we'll end up writing a route for logging the user out of the application.